Hey guys, it's Heather from H&P Artistry here, and I am unboxing a partial Wholesale Supplies Plus order. Part of my order is on back order, which is never, ever, ever, ever a good feeling. Especially since it was the biggest portion of my order. But at least everything else hopefully came in. We'll go through and check it and make sure. Let's see what's in here. Handmade conference information. 2018. The bubble wrap that I love oh so very much. I am in my new soap studio space right now. I'm super excited about that. And I realized the pin I grabbed is not the right one. I'm going to check everything off as I pull it out of the box. Let's see. Oh, I got new goggles because for some reason my old ones were letting stuff into them, and these have the little shields that kind of suction cup around your eyes, and I am extremely excited about that. So yay, new replacement. It's always a good thing. And let's see what's in here. Oh, I bet these are my handmade magazines. I ordered the back orders because I actually got coupons that made them free. I'm really happy about that. Now, they don't come with any of the awesome samples that you would normally get with the handmade magazine when you purchase it. But they're still incredible magazines. So I'm really glad to have them and kind of maybe do some fun projects. Like this one actually has the soap dough recipes. And I am really looking forward to that for summertime. So it should be fun to play around with this. And I can mark those off. Okay, here's my emulsifying wax. I ran out. And I'm so excited that I'm in my new soap studio because that means that as I unpack things, I can put them exactly where they belong. I don't know if this is pronounced Wholesale clay. I plan on making some face masks, and I really wanted this specific clay because of the consistency and its specific properties, and maybe I'll do a video of making the masks and I'll explain all of those properties to you guys, but I'm really excited about this. There's there. Okay. Let's see here. I got some aloe vera gel. I'm going to make some under eye cream or under eye serum, and I wanted this for that. And I also want to use a little bit of this for my face masks. And I goofed. I thought I ordered 2 of them. I actually only ordered 1 of them. Now I got some Melt and Pour Extra Clear and Basic White. I've not ever used the Melt and Pour from Crafter's Choice, so this is sort of a tester to see if I want to order more. We shall see. I'm almost out of the Melt and Pour I have. For those of you that don't know, I do field trips for kids at a place called Sam Davis Home in Smyrna. And I make little soaps for the kids to take home with them after I teach them the history of soap making. And these are my soaps for now, and they're just little melt and pours. And I do fragrance and color it free for kids with allergies. And then the yellow ones are lemon scented. I have green ones that are pearberry scented. And I have blue ones that I have not put little faces on yet. And they are toasted marshmallow scented. So I am excited about that. I'm trying to find it on my list so that I can mark it off. I feel like I've missed something. Ah, here it is. Okay. This is caffeine extract. Ooh, these leaked a little bit. That's not good. I think it was this one. That's frustrating. I have caffeine extract here. And I mean, the good thing is they come in bags, but it's always sad when you realize that something has leaked. Yep, this was it, because there's barely any in it now. Darn it. It's carob extract. Yeah, that makes me sad. Okay. But these go in my night serum. And last but not least, I have my fragrances. I hope you guys can still see. I set up the camera based on the box. Okay, I got Fresh Lemonade fragrance oil. It should work fine. Most lemon fragrances that I've used work pretty well in cold process soap. I've not used any of these from Crafter's Choice, so that's why I got them. Oh, that smells incredible. But it smells more like candy than lemonade. So hopefully when I put this in soap, it will morph a bit and not smell quite so much like candy. I guess we'll see. The Falling in Love fragrance oil is next. And I really have no idea what the fragrances were in this. I was going to hold it up to you for you guys to take a whiff. Sorry about that. I guess it must be a dupe for the Philosophy Falling in Love. But it's a very sweet, soft, almost perfumey smell. I got this one for my daughter. It is a garden mint. Oh, this one is incredible. Okay, I can't wait to soap with this. This one smells fresh and light. I grow mint at home, and whenever you cut your mint, this is what it smells like. This is delicious. I now want a big glass of mint tea. And here, last but not least, is my essential oil. And it is tea tree essential oil. I love the way these come packaged, by the way. It smells just like tea tree oil. I'm going to use this in my face masks. Add that extra little bit of astringent value. And I will give you guys a tour of my soaping studio very, very soon. It is definitely in the process. It's not completely finished yet. I am still working on getting everything fully organized, and I still have to, I'm going to tile with linoleum tiling over the top of my counters so that I have a nice white, clean, smooth surface that it will be easier to clean up, because on my other table, which is right next to this one, I have a plastic sheeting over the top that I soap on that makes it easier for me to use bleach water solution to clean it and alcohol. But I would really rather have something a little bit more durable that I don't have to continuously replace. So that's kind of where I am with that. I'm actually going to sit the essential oil up here next to you guys. But I think that is it for this haul. I also have on the way more tea tree oil, lemongrass essential oil. I have some forest green liquid colorant, aloe vera gel, Malibu bottles, the kind of 15 milliliter small ones, because I am going to be making a waterless hand wash, because that's always great for the summer, because you're out with the kids, you may take them to the pool, you may, you know, you go on picnics, things like that, and it's always good to have extra hand cleanser. And since this is waterless, you don't always have to find a bathroom or a sink or some form of water to clean up. And that for me is a gem, even with my teenage daughter when we go places, and definitely with the younger kids. And I am going to use the tea tree oil in that. I'm also going to use a little bit of the lemongrass, but I'm going to use a little fragrance oil as well in some of them, because I want them to have fun, different fragrances that kids will want to use. I know as us adults, lemongrass and tea tree would be great, but for kids, they want bubble gum and marshmallows and cupcakes and things like that. Grape soda. So that's next on my list of to-dos. I'm going to make, let's see, the waterless hand wash. I'm going to make loofah soaps. I am making mermaid soaps. I am making a men's off to sea soap, coffee soap, face masks, and sugar scrubs. That is what is on the list of things to do in the next few weeks. So we're going to have a lot of videos to share with each other. So I guess that's it, you guys. This is Heather from H&P Artistry, wishing you luck, love, and a spectacular weekend. Bye, guys.